If not, it's either Sokoto or Zamfara. He will end up, they will just bring him, knock him head for DSS here. They will carry him, go court the way they did in Nnamdi Kanu's room. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, please, Mr. President, we are asking you to make sure your team, none of them will monkey this thing up. Many of all these people are political actors. They may have their friends from the southeast, and those friends are the people this Nnamdi and Simon work for. Many Igbo politicians believe they can use Biafra as political bargaining chip. They are supporting this thing from behind, regardless of the political party. Now we they tell you, Mr. President, do not listen to them.
For that short video, Maka Ijele. Mother may be jealous when with the update. You might go with some things I have mother new sometimes in a lion. I'm my voice with the update now. Simon Ekpa Yotago. Simon Ekpa. That's the truth. And the second one is that now some of the high funded mother now rejoicing at court. Some of the cases said against him has been struck out. Yotago. Abuna na try be for the 10. I cancel the 5. So it's cause for celebration, it's cause for people to rejoice about it. So you never need Bugali news saying and the man na singing up no hapochande blogger na ebu yen where onye singing na Simon Ekpa pota. And if Simon Ekpa ya but as Finland this thing ye go to Guinea, you carry out the investigation very well. Do Nigeria. And no for case abia court. Unu for case aga na court. Obu court aboro ka Nigeria abon abia wa court. If the police more than 500 the bullet and they waste the taxpayers' money. And after that, Nekuburu is peaceful. And they say, now na aga kwa no CBN na abia. Simon Ekpa bro no nonga. CBN na Port Harcourt. Shows that there are some freedom and some other speech that has been restricted from him. People has the right to celebrate with their own. Today, somebody like you have never come out to condemn here Sheikh Yahya Jingri about Nigeria Muslim ticket. So say he after happy to biku. You go. A blame Monday Malana Patana as a boro ni when I'm Nandi Baboron, Nandi Aboni Botolimegi. Nehemen na Enugu State, but before investigation shown on Borondibo on the IPOB medicine. Ibe go based on the IPOB Emalia. So what then is the problem? Ijele has been known to circulating false news in order to paint a set of some people black and to glorify some set of people. Because do restrict yourself from such news. Simon Ekpa Apotabe. And afube homonye is that saying Simon Ekpa Apotabe afube in the news. Unufozekwa fine man. Somebody like me afube me. Ifugodi I will rebuke the person saying it. Because you that is saying it, we are also shifting bad information and shifting bad attitude to the people. That is the truth. Unanano, and some of those pleas Ijele chief kwani no nanga for more than 1 year or close to 1 year or so. Chief kwani no there for close to 1 year. Ose tukwana logozo. Ose tukwana gozo. Imo ebi ike ginelo. Imo ebi ike ginelo. Imo ebi ekwose. I've been waiting for you since I put a case of an Ebuko Selege, arrange Sege, Zion Sege. Lisita Chanka Molako, Nebene one live a gay man, kidney gay menka, Aquachukuzologi, while you are living on borrowed time. Aqua second half a cano here, second half a cano. Can I call money not upon a video, Ijele, according.
We love you. We are you.
Tobo. Why on I don't share this particular video like the other one? Yeah, Zion is out. Simon Ekpa is out. No be they carry the enter one like that. No be one they go. So okay, why on I don't feel like come on go outside? My people, so I told you people, Simon is not out. He just went to call for his appeal. The way Nnamdi Kanu will soon be going to call for his own appeal. Of course, we don't know why they are no longer shouting about his appeal. Because they know what will happen to that. Now appeal in come for. And they never ruled on him appeal. This one you saw was the video inside the state courtroom with that. If you notice, the moment this woman took him across that place, they told them to step back. Because he's still in custody, he's still government property. He is still government property. And he will be that government property for a long time. Why? The moment he's done with the Finnish authorities, he is coming to Nigeria. Yes. He will be lucky to be in the same place with his Oga, Nnamdi Kanu. If not, it's either Sokoto or Zamfara. He will end up, they will just bring him, knock him head for DSS here. They will carry him, go court the way they did in Nnamdi Kanu's room. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, please, Mr. President, we are asking you to make sure your team, none of them will monkey this thing up. Many of all these people are political actors. They may have their friends from the southeast, and those friends are the people this Nnamdi and Simon work for. Many Igbo politicians believe they can use Biafra as political bargaining chip. They are supporting this thing from behind, regardless of the political party. Now we they tell you, Mr. President, do not listen to them. The AGF, Fagbemi San, should be aware of this. The CJ, Justice Kekere, should know what is going on there. Bianco Juku's office should not monkey this up because we know they will be calling her. They will be lobbying her to find a way they will do, like government will use a technical ground and say, oh, they forgot to file this one in time. And they will tell you they didn't know when they released him. Oh, he has left Finland. They don't know where he is now. This may be their play. He must pay for his atrocities. As for his bingos in the bushes, our army and our police are capable of handling them. I'm sure of Imo State already. Enugu State is trying. I'm sure these two states, if other states will be as up and doing as these ones, I just mentioned, at least Imo State, me, I get utmost confidence on the garrison commander at Artillery Brigade. And the brigade did this thing there, commander there. The boys there, they're very active. They can handle all this umuozu in the bushes. We must stamp out this thing once and for all. This responsibility should not be kicked down the road. Mr. President, we know you as somebody that does not kick problems down the road. The way you kicked out subsidy, you kick out this one too. Let it be in your own time that this Biafra thing was buried forever. History will judge you kindly for it. People are waking up. All of these people must suffer for their atrocities. We won't let any of them slip away. Never. We are on their tail. As for aka unku na aka hit unu teacher onye ọbụla na onwe unu ga-eti ihe unu emenwu anything. Oh, mgbada.